In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively segment your email list in Constant Contact. Email list segmentation is a powerful tool that can help you target your audience more precisely and improve the success of your campaigns. Whether you're looking to tailor your messages to specific groups or enhance your overall engagement, creating segments is the way to go. Let's start by navigating the interface. Once you've logged into your Constant Contact account, look at the left-hand menu. You'll see a tab labeled Contacts. Click on it and then select Segments. This is where the magic begins, as it's the hub for creating and managing your email list segments. Next, direct your attention to the upper right-hand corner of your screen, where you'll see the Create Segment button. Click on this button to initiate the process. The first step here is to give your segment a descriptive name. This will help you identify it easily in the future, especially if you end up creating numerous segments over time. Consider a name that highlights the criteria or purpose of the segment. Now, to start defining your segment, click the plus add criteria button. This is where you decide what kind of criteria you'll use to narrow down your segment. The criteria could be based on location, industry, purchase history, or any other detail relevant to your marketing goals. Choose wisely, as it sets the foundation for your targeted messaging. Once you've selected your criteria, it's time to refine your data further by selecting operators for each criterion. Use the drop-down menus to choose from options like equals, contains, or is between. This step allows you to specify exactly who should be included in your segment based on the chosen criteria. If you want to get even more specific, you have the option to add multiple criteria. By combining several criteria, you can create highly targeted segments that match your precise marketing needs. Once satisfied with your settings, remember to click on Save Segment in the top right corner to save your hard work. With your segments in place, you can now put them to use. Add a segment to a contact list by clicking the Add to List option next to your segment. This action allows you to leverage these segments in your email campaigns seamlessly. Additionally, consider using click segmentation, which automatically adds contacts to a list when they interact, such as clicking a specific link in your email. Best practices in segmentation advise starting small. Focus on a few key segments that will have the most significant impact on your email marketing efforts. Consider demographic and behavioral data like interests or purchase history, as they can provide valuable insights into your contacts. Lastly, make use of tags to classify contacts further, offering an additional layer for precise targeting. And there you have it, a walkthrough on how to segment your email list using Constant Contact. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to crafting personalized and effective email campaigns. Thanks for watching, and happy segmenting.